Hello and good day, everyone. My name is Henry Inyang, and this is
Landon Knight.
Together we form a senior design team, and our project is creating a Siemens PLC trainer kit. To give a brief background on why we are doing this project, Siemens is a global PLC maker, also Allen Bradley. Siemens has had the larger global market share over the years, and Allen Bradley has held that position here in the US. However, the the market share of Siemens has started growing in the US compared to Allen Bradley. And the problem with this is most of the educational material and training for people in educational institutions has revolved around Allen Bradley due to their domination of the market here in the US. And with the Siemens coming up in the market, there is less educational material for Siemens, and most people have to get out of school before they can learn about Siemens. What we aim to do with our project is create a trainer kit that will introduce Siemens to our students here at Michigan Tech and make them well-rounded and more experienced future engineers after while they leave our educational institution. And it will also make them much more appealing to employers in the market field.
The solutions that we have for this problem are implemented in our Siemens PLC trainer. We've done this via several programs that we can control via our selector switches, such as a two-hand touch system to implement a real-world industrial application of hoods opening and closing for dangerous machines, the palletization of several boxes onto a pallet while also controlling the overload and giving alarms, and a real-time cooling system that takes the load from a pressure sensor and outputs to an analog fan. We hope to implement these into future MTU labs to spread our knowledge of Siemens to the undergrads below us. We'd like to thank our sponsors for this equipment from Leidos and Siemens, as well as all the help we got from Dr. Nathir Rawashdeh and Stephen Michael. We could not have done this without them.
Thank you very much for listening to us. We hope to see you at the Senior Design Expo. Thank you.
Thank you.